To see how I achieve this sleek high bun with a small puff ringlet, watch till the end. Hi everybody, it's me, Jess, so blessed. To all of my returning subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I achieve this sleek high bun with a small puff ringlet. So watch till the end. Okay, so here I have my small puff ringlet. And my African Pride hold and cover edges. So first I'm going to start by fluffing my hair, and then I'm going to take my edge control and I'm going to put that all around my hair to give it a slick hold in an upward position. Yeah, so this edge control is my favorite. I like how it holds in my hair and it doesn't flake and it's non-greasy. So I'm putting it all around my hair from the back to the front to the side. And I'm going to smooth that all the way up. Okay, so now I'm going to brush my hair to make sure it's extra smooth. I'm brushing the back and the sides and the front of my hair. Now once my hair is fully smoothened out, I'm going to put the puff ringlet around my hair to form a puff on the top of my head. So what I like about this ringlet is that it is very easy to use, and also it doesn't pull my hair out. So to me it's better than using a rubber band or some other strings. So this here is very comfortable, it's not too tight, and there you have it. I formed a puff. So to get that perfect puff, you can use a puff ringlet. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create 4 jumbo twists. 2 at the front, 2 at the back. And what I'm doing is adding some grease to my hair just to give it a smooth, shiny look. And the grease that I'm using for this is the Palmer's olive oil formula, olive oil growth therapy. It's a new grease I've started using, and I must say I absolutely love this grease. It really conditions or moisturizes the hair. Okay, so now that I'm done with the jumbo twist, it's time to create my high bun. I'm going to take the twist at the back on the left side and bring it to the front and secure it with bobby pins on the right side. And then I'm going to take the back twist on the right side and bring it forward to the left side and secure that with bobby pins. Now for the two twists at the front of my hair, I'm going to crisscross that and wrap it around and secure it with bobby pins at the back. So what I'm going to do now is take some more edge control and put it along the front of my hair, along the edges, just to give it a finished look and to smoothen my edges out. So now I'm going to go in with a brush and just smoothen my edges up some more. Okay, so now I'm going to tie my hair down with my scarf to hold down my edges and my hair. And I'm going to leave that on for a few minutes. And now it's time to take off the scarf. And guys, there you have it, my sleek high bun on natural 4C hair, medium length natural hair. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below. Until next time, bye!